Hello everyone, welcome to Find Your Aroma. Long time no see. Today, let's talk about frankincense. The frankincense plant, scientifically known as Boswellia, is a tree commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions. It belongs to the Burseraceae family. Frankincense trees prefer warm and dry climates. They typically grow in tropical and subtropical areas, adapting well to high temperatures and arid conditions. These trees are usually medium to large-sized, reaching heights of over 15 meters. They have gray to gray-brown trunks, which reveal a smooth surface after the bark peels off. The leaves of frankincense trees are composed of multiple leaflets and are deep green in color. One of the most notable features of frankincense trees is their resin, known as frankincense gum. When the bark of a frankincense tree is damaged, the tree secretes a milky white resin. This resin rapidly hardens in the air, forming chunks that range from milky white to pale yellow in color. These resins are also the primary components of frankincense essential oil. Frankincense is a tree widely used in traditional medicine. It's believed to possess anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory properties. Consequently, it's often employed to assist in alleviating symptoms of conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, respiratory issues, and digestive problems. You can dilute frankincense essential oil and apply it to the affected area, or incorporate it into the preparation of ointments and creams. Moreover, frankincense finds application in skincare. It's thought to have anti-aging and skin-regenerating effects. Adding frankincense essential oil to carrier oils or skincare products and using it for facial or body massages can help improve skin elasticity and firmness. Frankincense is a commonly used spice and essential oil, holding significance across various cultures and religions. In Christian tradition, it's considered one of the gifts presented to Jesus by the Magi at his birth. In ancient Egyptian mythology, frankincense is seen as one of the symbols associated with the sun god, Ra. People believed that frankincense can connect to the power of the divine and use it for worship and ritual offerings. Additionally, frankincense has important roles in Hinduism, Buddhism, and other Eastern religions. It's used in ceremonies, meditation, and purification rituals, believed to bring about calmness, purification, and blessings. Frankincense essential oil generally has few restrictions, but pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before using it. The oil's characteristic of promoting blood circulation could potentially have adverse effects on the fetus or infant if used improperly. The scent of frankincense essential oil carries a sense of thickness from the tree itself and a warmth from the sun due to its growth conditions. Moreover, it exudes a mysterious and ancient aura with a divine and ethereal feel that brings about tranquility, steadfastness, and reassurance. Do you have any special connections or imaginations associated with frankincense? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. The story of frankincense. As mentioned earlier, in Christian tradition, frankincense is regarded as one of the gifts presented to Jesus by the Magi. The Gospel of Matthew mentions that the Magi saw a special star and believed it to be a sign of Christ's birth. They followed the star and arrived at the place where Jesus was, presenting him with three gifts: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. As a precious resin, frankincense was considered a gift for esteemed figures. Thus, the Magi offering frankincense to Jesus symbolizes their respect and reverence for him, acknowledging his divinity. Additionally, due to frankincense's aromatic properties that are believed to elevate spirituality, this gift represents their pursuit of and admiration for the divine. Beyond Christianity, frankincense has a long-standing connection with Egyptian queens. In ancient Egyptian civilization, Frankincense was considered not only a sacred ointment used in religious rituals and offerings, but also held a high status in the Egyptian royal and noble societies. Cleopatra, a renowned Egyptian queen known for her beauty and wisdom, has a legend associated with frankincense. It's said that her beauty was in part attributed to her daily massages with frankincense oil, making use of its moisturizing properties to maintain soft and smooth skin while reducing the appearance of wrinkles. This connection makes frankincense an integral part of Egyptian history and culture. Okay, our introduction about frankincense today has come to an end. If you have any questions, opinions, or other stories or experiences related to frankincense, please leave a message below and share with us. If you like our video, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. We will upload more videos to share the basic knowledge and stories about aromatherapy and essential oils or the aromatherapy insight cards with you. See you next time!